Hi everyone, it's Yanis here, and in this video we will explore what are interpersonal skills. No matter what you do in your life, it will always involve working with other people, so it's important to develop good communication skills. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. Interpersonal skills, also known as people skills, involve the ability to communicate and build relationships with others. Interpersonal skills are the skills we use every day when we communicate and interact with other people, both individually and in groups. When we want to work as a part of the team, start a business, get better deals from our clients, etc., then we can benefit from having well-developed interpersonal skills. So let's take a look at some of the most valuable interpersonal skills that you should develop. First, communication skills. This includes verbal communication, what we say and how we say it, as well as non-verbal communication, our body language and tone of voice. Also, part of good communication skills are listening, our ability to correctly interpret what other person is trying to communicate. Second, teamworking, our ability to become a valuable member of the team, give constructive feedback to others and accept feedback from other members of team. Third, negotiation and influencing skills. While working with other people, you will often have to sell your ideas and come to win-win outcomes. Fourth, problem solving and decision making. People like to be around of those who are not afraid to make a decision and take action. The best part is that you can improve your interpersonal skills by developing your awareness on how you interact with others and practicing your skills. To develop your interpersonal skills, you have to become the observer, watch and listen how people interact, and soon you'll be able to read them like an open book. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick summary of what interpersonal skills are and why they are important. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.